You're pouring your time, money, and energy into creating social media content, but where are the results? You tried posting more often, tweaking your graphic design, and perfecting your video production skills, yet nothing seems to work. Well, here's the thing. The problem isn't your commitment or your creativity. It's something much deeper and more critical. In this video, we'll dive into the real reason your social media marketing isn't hitting the mark, and more importantly, how to turn it all around. So get ready to transform your strategy and finally see the results you deserve. Let's talk about the core issue, a lack of clear messaging. This is where many social media marketing strategies fall apart. Without a clear and consistent message, your audience is left confused about who you are, what you offer, and why they should even care about you. Imagine scrolling through your feed. You're bombarded with posts, videos, and ads. What makes you stop and pay attention? It's the content that speaks directly to you that resonates with your needs and desires. That's the power of clear messaging. Clear messaging is about more than just catchy slogans or beautiful graphics. It's about your understanding your audience's pain points and communicating how your product or service can solve them. It's about crafting a narrative that aligns with your brand's values and its mission and consistently delivering that narrative across all of your channels. When your messaging is unclear, your audience doesn't know what action to take. They might like your post, but they won't follow you. They might watch your video, but they won't visit your website. Clear messaging bridges the gap between interest and action. Now, let's dive into some common mistakes that lead to unclear messaging. These are pitfalls we see all the time, and avoiding them can make a huge difference in your social media success. Now, one of the biggest mistakes is trying to appeal to everyone. When you try to reach a broad audience, your message becomes diluted. For example, imagine a fitness coach posting about everything from weight loss tips to bodybuilding routines to general health advice. While it seems like it's covering all the bases and is beneficial, it actually confuses your audience. Someone looking for weight loss tips might not care about bodybuilding routines, and vice versa. So here's a solution. Instead, focus on a specific niche or problem that you're solving. Tailor your content to address the unique needs and interests of that defined audience. This not only clarifies your message, but also builds a stronger, more loyal following. Another common mistake is inconsistent branding and messaging. This happens when your posts vary greatly in tone and style and message. One day you're humorous, the next day you're serious, and then you're promotional and salesy and icky. This inconsistency confuses your audience about your brand identity. So here's a solution. Develop a brand voice and stick to it. Whether your brand is playful and fun or professional and authoritative, maintain a consistent tone and style. This helps in building a recognizable and reliable brand image. So, how do you craft a clear message? Here are some of my personal tips about creating clear messaging for your brand, and it's in another video where I talk about the unique message model. I also have a tool that can help you with your messaging. It's called the Brand Archetype Quiz. This will help you refine your marketing message, deepen relationships with your audience, and exponentially increase your return on investment. The quiz is free to take, and you can find the link for it in the description below this video. Now that's a wrap. But remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team, check out this other video right here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like you who need help growing their unicorn team. Be also sure to hit the subscribe button below and the little bell icon so that you're notified when I'm on YouTube giving you new content. Also, as I mentioned, take that Brand Archetype quiz below. It's free and it will help you refine the messaging in a way that feels authentic to you. I'm Jen Kam, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.